In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Raft beam in Revit Structure. At the end of this video, you will learn and you should be able to create Raft beam like this in Revit Structure. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I'm going to go to the foundation footing. Okay, I need to see the grid here. I'm not seeing grid here, so I'm going to go to one of the elevation and I will select all the grid, whether it's all or one, or let's select just one. They are locked together, so if I drag this one down now, I should be able to see the grid now. Then I can also go to the east so that I do the same thing to these ones. Good. I'm going to add another level to it. Let me go to south. So I'm going to create another level. I'll click peak, then it should be 2 to 5 away from the previous one, and make sure plan view is selected. So I'm going to click here and click on this arrow. So I'm going to rename it. Instead of level 8, I'll name it as foundation footing. Foundation footing, and click empty space, click yes, so that it will have a floor plan for it. Okay, so I'm going to go to that particular floor plan, which is foundation footing, and here we are. Good. So we are going to go to structure. We will select beam. We'll load beam family. Let me go to the folder where I can get beam family. I'll go to Revit library. Australia is fine. Then I'm going to go to structure, structural framing. I'll go to concrete. I'm going to select rectangular beam. Click to open it. Then I'm going to edit. I will duplicate it and give it a name, 450 by 225 mm, 225 mm beam, and click OK. Then the breadth should be 225 and the depth should be 450. Oh, okay, I think I need to rename it. Let me rename it as Raft base. Raft base. So the breadth will be 675, while the depth will be 225. Then I'll click apply. I'll click OK. Then I'm going to start from the column. From one column to another. Make sure this chain is checked. You need to understand your plan. What you shouldn't do in Revit Structure is, if you are creating beam, don't go direct like this, instead from column to column. Okay, that is what you should be doing. Don't join everything together. Okay, like that. Just keep going from one column to another column. Okay, that is for external beam. So let's create the internal ones. Okay, so that is our raft base. Let's look at it in 3D. Let's make it shaded. All right, so that is the raft base. The next thing I want to do is to model the raft itself. So I'm going to go to, let me go to the one of the elevation. Oh, so this one is not showing as a raft. Let me delete it. There's no floor showing. So I'm going to create another level. I'll click on create similar. I'll pick line 225 is the offset value. Oh no, I'm going to delete that one later. Okay, so I've deleted that. Then for this one, I'm going to name it as raft beam. I'll click yes, so that a floor plan will be created for it. So I'm going to go to that raft beam. Now I'm going to be creating beam now. So I'll go to structure, I'll select beam, I will select the same rectangular beam, I will duplicate, then I'm going to duplicate it and call it raft beam instead of raft base. Then I'll click OK. The height will be 1 to 50. Then the thickness will be 2 to 5. I'll click apply. I'll click OK. Then I'm going to be picking from column to column, creating my beam now from column to column. Okay, so I'm done creating the beam. I'll look at it in 3D. Now let's look at it in elevation. I'm going to select all instances in entire project. Let me try and move. I can uncheck constraint so that I move all of them to this place. Now let's look at it in 3D now. Good. So this is a representation of raft beam. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to learn Revit Structure, if you want to master how to use Revit Structure and Robot Structural Analysis Professional, I'm going to leave a video up here. So ensure you watch that video. It will show you how you can gain access to our Revit Structure and Robot Structural Analysis Professional so that you can use Revit Structure like a pro. Tap on that video now to watch it. See you in the next video. Bye.